and I'm leading SME Council at the national level. And thank you so much for joining this session. So, if we talk about digital transformation, as an SME Council charter, this is one of the priority we have taken for these next 2 years, where we are trying to connect with our SMEs and see how we can help them.
So, Sugita said, thank you so much for coming this afternoon. You guys are busy, you get to traffic, that's okay. Ajay also flew in from Hyderabad. Sangeeta flew in from Delhi, I flew in from Hyderabad as well. I'm based in Dallas, and I'm currently the CTO for A Business Technologies. And we'll go through some topics where hopefully this is a beneficial event for you guys spending time here. Went through because he had a vision that lights up the world. So it starts from there, and see how we can learn from those. The next one is that what are the key learnings for successful digital transformations? How do we see how the companies who have gone through the same process of being successful? So we know what to look out for. Actually, let's get to work. Can you figure out, you're working in technology, right? What's your definition of digital transformation?
Providing technical solutions for the industry. Technical solutions without manual intervention, manual. My understanding of digital transformation for manufacturing sector, earlier they had a lot of manual activities, so that actually can be changed to digital transformation by providing systems. So there is no manual intervention required. All data flows through digital solutions.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, that's what my understanding of digital.
That's company process to technology. I mean, manual process to technology process. Adapting the technologies. Okay. So I can actually be great and have evolving. So what does it all tell us? We have an idea, we know what it is, but we don't know what it is. It's like water, holding water, right? You grasp water, like, you know what it is, but if you hold water, what happens? It slips through your fingers. But what we're trying to do here is that, at least from the guys who are here, we clearly understand what it is, truly what we're trying to do. We're in the business of transforming other businesses. We're also in the business of transforming ourselves, because we cannot compete if we don't do that properly. So I tried to come up with my own definition. Now, for me, and I've done this a long time, and this is more from experience, but it also, at least I'm used to thinking, so I did not have a headache. If I was not used to thinking, I would have a very bad headache, right? So I used to think, like, okay, now I related it to business. And I said, if I buy this server, I can increase our capacity so that now we can generate more revenue in terms of here. Okay, if I buy SQL Server, I have redundancy, so that this is the risk that we're going to take. Because we've experienced some failures, downtimes. Okay, our downtime, this is a cost. Our downtime for 2 hours costs us $1 million. So spending $100,000 additional equipment, it's a no-brainer. Then it relates it to business. So even typical IT stuff that you do, you're